Welcome, I'm Trenton Johnson, and I'll be leading you through this 10-video course on WordPress theme development for beginners. Before we get started, I want to address a couple of things. First of all, we'll be using a number of different applications throughout this series, and I want to go over in a little bit of detail what we're using and why we're using it. Let's talk about WordPress. WordPress is an open source content management system that is used to power more than 60 million websites across the world, making it debatably the most used open source content management system. I'll show you really quickly the WordPress.com stats page where I got all of this information. It's a great read, but it's not something that I'm going to go over with you right now. We should also talk briefly about code editors. I'm on a Macintosh and choose to use Text Wrangler, which is this application right here. Text Wrangler is a free application, but it is only available for Mac OS X. Many of you are using PCs and won't have access to Text Wrangler, but that isn't a problem because you can use any other texting editors that you'd like. Some other ones that are free on the PC are Aptena and Notepad++. Dreamweaver is also a popular code editor, though it is not free. So, since you're already interested in custom WordPress theme development, I'm going to assume that you have a basic understanding of WordPress and how the application works, and particularly how you upload WordPress to your web server. If you don't have a web server from which you can host your WordPress install, you can develop locally using XAMPP on a Mac or MAMP on a Windows PC. I've posted some links below to help you get started with installs for those. Now let's talk about the blank HTML starter theme that we'll be using in this series. I like this theme because it uses stable HTML5 attributes like nav and footer tags, and the style sheet for this theme also already includes media queries for the responsive design that we'll be developing. You can get this theme at html5blank.com, and at the time of this recording, the version is 1.2.7. If you get here later on and the version is higher, that's not a problem. To download it, the structure should still be the same. So download HTML5 blank theme, and then we can move on to video 2.